Ashutosh Mishra, let me just come to you as someone who supports the Congress party, as someone who is also a senior journalist. Look, the fact is that all of us know that India's electoral list is far from perfect. गड़बड़ियां हैं, बहुत गड़बड़ियां हैं. But are they deliberate, and are they deliberately manipulated to win and lose elections? You know, if Rahul Gandhi was trying to prove that, that has so far not been proven. What has been proven, though, by all the charges that he has made in Mahadevpura and now, then in Maharashtra, now in Haryana, it just goes on to prove what the Election Commission and the BJP have been saying all this while, that our electoral rolls need a relook, which is why the SIR. Then why is Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party opposing SIR? SIR का तो काम ही ये है ना कि जितनी गड़बड़ियां राहुल गांधी दिखा रहे हैं उसकी सफाई हो जाएगी. What is the problem then?
So let's start from your first question. Why is this vote show? Let me explain it to you. It all started in 2023. It is in 2023 when the Chief Justice of India was thrown out of the panel which elected, or rather selected, the election commissioners and chief election commissioner. It was in 2023 when these people, the election commission, was given legal immunity, and that's why they keep playing this game of affidavit do, affidavit, because they know that they are legally immune. Now, and in 2023, there was a software which the election commission stopped using, which would have caught these 20 photographs. This duplication wouldn't have happened if they were still using that software, which they stopped using in 2023. So, ये as Amit Shah keeps saying, chronology समझिए कि वोट चोरी कैसे करी जाती. Today itself, there have been reports that 2 women who went to vote in Patna were told that they could not vote because they don't have the voter slip, which is not mandatory as the Election Commission has pointed out. So this choose where it helps you and attack the opposition with questions. When they raise questions, instead of giving answers, whether it be the Election Commission or the BJP, they always come up with counter questions. And the proof
Ashutosh ji, I have been a journalist for 25 years, and from the first election that I covered, every time you were at a polling booth, there would be at least 3-4 people and say, हमारा तो वोट है ही नहीं, हमारा तो वोट कट गया. तो वो तो मैं 25 साल से सुन रही हूँ. My point is it intentional, and has it compromised the elections? So far, with what we have seen, there is nothing that Rahul Gandhi has told us that says that the Haryana election was compromised and that 25 lakh fake voters were added, simply because out of the 22 women he mentioned, 7 are actually real, and we could only go to 7. If we went to 22, there's a possibility that 20 of them are real. We don't know. We haven't gone to 22, but we went to 7. My question to you was simple. If he's saying the electoral rolls are messed up or deliberately manipulated, Mr. Ashutosh, my question is simple. Uska jawab to SIR hai. It is the शुद्धिकरण of the electoral rolls. क्यों रोक रहे हैं? उस पे इतनी आप लोग क्यों opposition कर रहे हैं? फिर होने दीजिए. Problem क्या है?
आप चोर को तिजोरी की चाबी नहीं देते. आप ये समझिए ना. You have just gone to 7 people and out of 22, and they have presumed. As a journalist, I find it, like, even statistically, it looks ridiculous that with 6 proofs, you are saying that everything that Rahul Gandhi talks about is fake.
Out of 22, we went to 7. Out of 22, Rahul Gandhi and his team didn't even go to 1. You are coming in front of the nation, doing a press conference, making this bombastic claim that 25 lakh votes have been stolen. You are making 1 woman, and then by virtue of that, 22 women face of this entire project. And you don't even have the common sense of going to the ground and at least checking कि जो आप बोल रहे हो, does that translate on the ground or not? Ashutosh ji, you have been a journalist. This is basic journalistic duty.
At the beginning of my statement, I said if the Election Commission had kept using the software that they stopped using in 2023 when they got this legal immunity, this thing wouldn't have had happened. So the galti यहाँ पे Election Commission की है. You are trying to defend the person who is sort of accused of malpractice.
I have no wish to defend the Election Commission of this country. I feel that they should be doing a press conference and telling the country point by point why they think Rahul Gandhi has lied, if they believe Rahul Gandhi has lied. But for the moment, the fact also is that whatever Rahul Gandhi has put before us in a rather lengthy press conference is not translating on the ground. वोट चोरी कहाँ हुई है मुझे समझ नहीं आया है.
आपको आप जरा सा और पीछे
फेक वोट कहाँ डले हैं मुझे समझ नहीं आया. आप लोगों ने एक और चीज बोली. You mentioned a place called Hodal. Right? Rahul Gandhi mentioned a place called Hodal and said that look at this. This is a nayab namuna of the Election Commission. From one address here, there are 501 people who have been registered. There was an explanation for that. It was on camera. And this man was not a BJP person.
I'm sorry to say, you have to listen, you have to see the history. How from 2019, there have been reports, not just by Congress party, in 2019, for the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, there was a whole paper written by a Ashoka University professor who later had to resign, where he showed that how BJP manipulated elections where it was in majority. And even in this election, for Bihar observers, 68% of the people are from BJP ruled state. Okay. So that fairness is gone. And when the fairness is in question, why do you want me to believe blindly in what Election Commission says when even there?
But then we cannot blindly believe. Let Dr. Giri come in. Dr. Giri, then we can't even blindly believe what Rahul Gandhi is saying. Why aren't you asking the Election Commission to step out and say this data is not ours? Rahul Gandhi ये data कहीं आए दाएं जगह से लाया है. He is putting it on us. If he is so sure, affidavit sign करवा दीजिए.
Shreya ji, Rahul Gandhi has done first press conference in Karnataka. He told we have taken all the data from the website of Election Commission. Fine, you have taken data. I agree. But you have not done any छेड़छाड़, कोई भी उसमें छेड़छाड़ नहीं की. We have not done anything manipulated in this. So you have just to do an oath, just to sign an oath and just give it back to. This is the malpractice. This is the wrong. Just check. Simply Election Commission has done a PC and told to him. He told him no. मेरा बच्चा नहीं है शासन. Like the Bahubali picture. I will not give any oath. So when he go to parliament, he should tell this is Nehruji Dalan. I will not take any oath. I am having faith on the Indian constitution. So if he is going for this election nomination, he has to file a oath. This is the democratic process now. If he win the election, he will go to parliament. He has to take a oath. If he is making a serious allegation, he came in this case to National Herald. He went to the court and he has taken this bill. So he has given their guarantee. So he tell no, I'll not give. So what is this mockery? If he is going for some serious allegation, he has to make a complaint. He has to make a oath.
Chitra
He has to go.